cause extra overhead because you have to maintain these across the teams as teams continue to execute. There's new team members, different perspectives. You're thinking of it, changing it. Is this relative estimation? Right? There's some things that can be confusing as you continue forward. So there's some kind of cross-team sync that would probably need big room planning, program increment planning, something to making sure that you're realigning on the teams at some kind of cadence. And this isn't an exact method. Things change, and when you end up actually pulling the hours of actually what was done, it's often not exactly, for example, 1 point was 8 hours. It might be 6 hours. It might be 10 hours. So again, there's some different things that can happen there. And so it's a strategy often questioned is that if you're not large for a bigger program, why are you using it? Or why are you causing the extra confusion and extra overhead when you don't need it? Because you don't need to go across multiple teams. The last method here are hours. The team estimates the work